Welcome to an essential guide to choosing the right dog breed. Today, we'll explore 5 breeds that might be challenging for some owners and why. Remember, there's no such thing as a bad breed. But some dogs may require more attention, training, or specific living conditions. Let's dive in. 5. Akita. Akitas are beautiful and loyal, but can be challenging for first-time dog owners. They require strong leadership and early socialization, as they can be aloof with strangers and sometimes aggressive with other dogs. For our Chow Chow, known for their lion-like mane, Chow Chows are independent and often aloof. They require an owner who understands their unique temperament. Proper training and socialization are essential to prevent potential behavioral issues. 3. Borzoi. The elegant Borzoi is a sight to behold, but may not be suitable for families with small pets. Their strong prey drive means they might chase smaller animals. They also require ample space to run and exercise. 2. Afghan Hound. While stunningly beautiful, Afghan Hounds can be high maintenance. Their long, flowing coat requires regular grooming, and their independent nature might make training more challenging. 1. Shar-Pei. The wrinkled Shar-Pei is adorable, but may present health challenges. They are prone to skin issues and require a dedicated owner who is aware of their specific care needs. Bonus insights. Choosing the right breed means understanding your lifestyle, time commitment, and what you're looking for in a canine companion. Always research and consider adopting from a rescue that can match you with the perfect dog for your situation. From understanding specific breed needs to recognizing that every dog is an individual, this guide aims to help you make an informed decision. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful insights into the world of dogs.